Welcome back to the tutorials. So in this one, we're going to do stuff a little differently. I'm going to show you a couple kind of neat tricks that you can do with the terminal that a lot of people don't know. Like just launching an app. A lot of people understand you can launch an app, but there's certain little things you can do in the terminal that makes it kind of unique and powerful. So let's get right into it. I think everybody kind of knows that, for one, you can launch like Firefox. Okay, so we opened up Firefox. But I don't think a lot of people understand that you can type in Firefox and then like if you wanted to, let's say you wanted to go to Facebook, facebook.com, you can do a space and then type in the website you're looking for, run it, and you can see that it pulled up Facebook. So it's pretty much just an easy and quick way that you can load in websites instead of having to open it up and then typing in the website into the URL. The next thing I wanted to show you is basically how do you go about installing software using the terminal. I think this is the hardest part for a lot of people to learn when it comes to Linux, and most people don't realize that the easiest way to install things on Linux, instead of finding like the whole package or the whole installer and putting it on there and then running like the script command and stuff like that to run it, the easiest way to do this is basically just using the terminal to install programs for you. So there's a program I use a lot. It's called Xterm. This computer doesn't have it on here, so let's install it. So to do this, you need root access. Okay, you need to be an administrator basically. So how do you go about doing this? Well, you would say sudo apt-get install, okay, and then whatever you're looking for. We're looking for Xterm, okay, that's the terminal that I like to use. Now it says it found it, okay, so what it's doing is it's saying, hey, I looked in the packet list, I found the packet that you're looking for, do you want to install it? It's this is all the requirements for it. And if you hit yes, what it's doing is it's going to run through, it's going to grab that packet, and it's going to install it onto the computer for us. So now if we go in here, you can see we have Xterm on here. So this is just another terminal window. It works just like this, but it's just a different program that's running the same shell. So our bash shell. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope I will see you guys in the next tutorial.